Hello eBay shoppers. Got a few emails regarding this piece that I posted. I wanted to do a video on them real quick, give you a closer look, a little bit better than pictures. A couple of the questions were size. This guy is about, I'd say 5.5 inches tall from the bottom of the base to the top of his hat. I guess that's what, 3.5 inches wide. He's in really good condition. He's holding a bird. He's got a cat in his pocket, and I think the cat's fixing on eating that bird. But he's in really good shape. No cracks or chips. Paint's really good. He's in really good shape, other than what I would say some dust from quite a bit of age. But other than that, he's in really good shape. So let's see if I can get him a little closer. He's got like a little red handkerchief hanging out of his back pocket. Really, really nicely done. So there you go. If you have any more questions, shoot them over. Thank you.